Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this last day of May, it is Wednesday morning. It is the 31st day of May. Time as I make this is 3:51 a.m. And our weather is starting to evolve. Yesterday, dew points were in the 50s. Today, we kind of migrate with dew points into the 60s. That's a little stickier, all right? And we'll see some pop-up storms on the radar here and there. Later on this afternoon, there's examples of future radar. There's a 6:30 p.m. example where you'll see some pop-up storms here and there. That's getting into that summertime normal, right? Today, being the last day of May, is the last day of meteorological spring, if you want to get geeky and technical, and tomorrow would be the first day of meteorological summer. Tomorrow is also the first day of hurricane season, and the National Hurricane Center has an area to watch out in the Gulf of Mexico. No big deal, just interesting, just reminding us that we are getting into that time of the year when we'll start to see areas to watch and eventually invest from the National Hurricane Center. This area to watch is in the Gulf of Mexico. It'll be going across Florida into the Atlantic, and it's not a classic tropical system because it has a cold core aloft. To be a tropical system, you have to be warm at the bottom and warm all the way to the top. All right. So anyway, that's what's going on. Meanwhile, our forecast is going to start sounding similar. We're in the upper 80s to teasing 90 for the next few days with some pop-up showers and storms each day in the forecast. The rain probabilities don't change much every day. You're going to see all the details below, and I don't see anything that's going to change this pattern for at least right on through the weekend and into the early part of next weekend. All right, that's your forecast discussion this morning. Otherwise, everything is normal, including live on the radio, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 WACV. You'll find us on TV. Watch us on WAKA CBS 8 and ABC 32 as well. There'll be another update for you first thing tomorrow morning, including the forecast discussion where I'm standing here, plus your forecast blog. And if you're watching on YouTube, it's easy to get to the blog. There's information in the description section on how to get to our website, see it on Facebook, Twitter, on our weather app. And you can always get my forecast across the dial on 8 radio stations. That would be the Blue Water family of stations. We're done. I'll see you later. Have a good last day of May.
Rich Thomas Weather.